In this video, I'll show you how you can appear offline in League of Legends. Now, in League Client, the only way that you can do anything like that is by pressing up here, and it will tell you that you're currently away. Now, if you want to show this offline right here, you need to install third-party programs. Now, there's one called Deceive. If you Google Deceive LOL, you can see how that works. But in the League Client, the best you can do right now is simply press on this one, and it will say away. That's the best way to do it right now, unless you want to use third-party softwares. You can also go into CMD and you can connect to a different IP, which will show yourself as offline, but then you won't be able to play a game. So that's unfortunately the only way that you can do it in League of Legends. But if you want, press here and go away, and then you can simply do whatever you want and people will know that you're not at your PC right now. So that's how you can do it, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.